The slat belt conveyor has been built to withstand the extreme stress and workload of today's dishroom. This, however, does not exempt it from regular maintenance. Before replacing the slat belt, turn off the main disconnect switch. The slats can be easily removed and replaced. Place a 3/4 inch rod or a screwdriver handle underneath the chain while replacing the slats. Don't forget to remove the rod or screwdriver when you're done. Do not hammer the slats. Hammering the slat will break the plastic lugs that keep the chain locked inside. The slats are attached on a stainless steel slat chain. Over a period of operation, the chain produces permanent stretch and requires an adjustment to remove any excessive sag. This can be accomplished by removing some chain links. The most practical way to separate the chain is with the use of a chain breaker. Removal of each link reduces the overall chain length by 1 1/2 inches. To reconnect the chain, slide the connecting link pins through the two butting inner links and match the loose side plate to the pins. Using a vice grip style pliers or a C-clamp, press the side plate onto the pins until they come through the plate. After cleaning, make sure that the slat belts are properly sitting on the tracks and never lift the belt while the conveyor is running. On the return track, these cornering guides are employed to engage the slat rollers and guide the belt around the corners. Make sure that these guide rails are adjusted to have a 1/8 inch vertical gap between the bottom surface of the slat and the guide rail, and also maintain a minimum gap of 3/16 of an inch between the slat end and the wall of the return track at the curved section. These hold-down brackets support the corner guides and adjust up and down if necessary. Make sure that they are bolted tightly to the return track.